clear around where, when, how, and with whom do you want to achieve this goal? What's your measure of that success, and what's the context of it? Is it just in your business life? Is it just in your personal life? Is it for you solely? Does it make a difference for you and your family? Does it make a difference for you and your team? And actually thinking about these things actually helps to put it in your awareness. And most importantly, have you ever had this before, or what resources do you need? I meet people all the time who tell me, well, I'm not confident about being able to do that because I've never done it before. And even though you may never have been able to achieve it yourself before, there's probably someone in your tribe or in your community, or maybe even in this community, in the NLP Sales Mastery Academy here, or in the Life Puzzle community, who has achieved the kind of results that you would like to achieve. And so when we start to think about who else has done it, or what steps or processes did they follow, and in actual fact, this is the success that makes the success in the work that we do with our clients, because often when I'm able to articulate how one of our clients was able to follow a set of steps or procedures in order to produce a particular outcome, what happens is the person's awareness, who's never done it before, their awareness starts to open up to the point where they say, well, if other people have done it, then maybe it's possible for me. So at an unconscious level, that's what happens in terms of the ability to believe that you can.